You may already have everything you need to start making money online, even if you feel like you have no idea what you are doing. In some situations, all it takes is one person to believe in you to get your online money-making dream off the ground. By first focusing on the fundamentals, you will feel more empowered to choose your best next step and begin taking action right away. We asked multiple experts, people who make $1 million or more per year in their businesses, what people should understand about making money online. Here's what they had to say, as well as how you can make a decision about which money-making ideas are best for you. Before we dive in, welcome to our channel NetWealth, your source of financial education. If you want to keep growing your financial assets, smash that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Now let's get started with our main topic. Without a doubt, making money online can help you not only stay afloat during these difficult times, but it can also assist you to escape your 9-to-5 job and become a full-time entrepreneur. These are the top 5 ways that experts have proven to increase your wealth. Number 1, provide a service. Many people have started their entrepreneurial journeys by working part-time jobs or as a freelancer in their spare time. You can offer to evaluate someone's resume, assist a company with data entry, or conduct online polls for a few hours each week. A whole new world of opportunities opens up the first time you are paid directly for what you already know. If you're starting a side business in addition to your daily work, because some employers have moonlighting policies, you'll want to be sure you're abiding by your contractual duties. One of 3 subcategories can be used to describe the provision of a service. For example, freelancing. When you work for someone else, you are acting as their client. Consulting. You are advising the client on what to do next based on your knowledge and experience. Coaching. Similar to consulting, coaching focuses on assisting the client in developing self-reliance. For people who already hold full-time jobs or have a successful career, freelancing, consulting, and coaching are all excellent choices. Consider concentrating on knowledge or talents you already possess if you're having trouble figuring out how to make money online. Number 2, become a creator and earn direct payment from fans and followers. Do you like creating web content? Do you thrive at it? If the answer to both of those questions is yes, taking advantage of the creator economy to make money online could be a fantastic choice for you. For professionals who don't like the idea of selling online but could make YouTube videos or run a YouTube channel all day, the creator's life is amazing. According to Signalfire, a venture capital fund that works with early-stage startups, more than 50 million artists make money online, and 2 million of those creators do it professionally. Comparing creators to small media companies, you can experience some of the free, instructive, or entertaining stuff they create and share on their own websites or solely on social media profiles. Over time, they grow an audience, and from this audience, they can profit in one of 3 ways: through subscriptions, sponsorships, which include paid partnership postings on Instagram, or advertising kickbacks. Because they are bringing the views, when you watch a popular YouTuber and commercials play in the background of their videos, that creator earns a part of the advertising budget. At first, this advertising revenue is minimal, but as your audience expands, it will explode. The use of any or all of these tactics is up to the creators. Keep in mind that cultivating a following typically takes time, thus creator economy monetization is a long process. However, if you are passionate about creating content and want to do it continuously, you have the motivation to turn these online activities into a source of revenue. Number 3, intellectual property. Use your intellectual property to complete the task once and then receive payment repeatedly. According to a survey published by Research and Markets, a market insights business that has worked with more than 450 Fortune 500 companies, the global e-learning industry was estimated to be worth $253.3 billion in 2021 and was predicted to more than double in value over the next 5 years. It could be extremely profitable to pack and sell your intellectual property as an online course, program, ebook, or workshop if your services have an approach or a methodology that is helpful to other people. This business approach is becoming more and more well-liked when it comes to money-making recommendations. You should make sure that the intellectual property you are offering, such as expertise or information, is something buyers are interested in purchasing. What problem does your knowledge or method address for your clients? Why should they purchase it right away? Before you even consider pressing the record button, respond to those questions. To learn what your followers or clients truly want and need, conduct online surveys with them. It can be worthwhile for you to organize your knowledge and put it in writing or on record, and then offer this knowledge to clients who want to use your effective strategy on their own. Number 4, launch a tangible product and expand your small retail empire. The booming e-commerce sector has made it simpler than ever to start and grow a product-based business, even if it's just you at first, thanks to the services like Shopify, Etsy, Fulfillment by Amazon, and Instagram's shopping feature. In fact, there are full aggregator companies like Thresio and Perch devoted to purchasing your product-based business for a lot of money and adding it to their portfolio because successful e-commerce enterprises are so in demand. Businesses focused on physical products are different from the first 3 categories in that they usually require a larger initial investment to build and test your minimum viable product. Many e-commerce companies invest in their website, their online store, and their own sales channel, even though you might not start making money online for several months. When assessing business ideas and deciding how to make money online, you should keep this in mind, especially if the industry you want to enter has production regulations. But once you're a supplier and your target market is just right, you'll have an online store that makes money while you sleep. Many e-commerce experts started their entrepreneurial journey by inventing the item or products they wish they had. If you are passionate about making a physical product you know people need, this approach might be effective for you. Number 5, get into affiliate marketing. Instead of trying to sell your product when you have a potential customer base, why not promote someone else's deals? Businesses rely heavily on referrals, and many are prepared to reward you with a commission in exchange for your assistance in bringing them new clients. Affiliate marketing should not be confused with multi-level marketing or pyramid schemes in which businesses claim to be selling goods to customers but instead rely heavily or entirely on the affiliates themselves to generate revenue. Make sure the product is something you enjoy and want to use and market for yourself before choosing an affiliate scheme. Keep in mind that you must legally share this data on your blog, social media accounts, and/or website if you use affiliate links or affiliate marketing. A lot has been covered, but if your target is to earn money online, you should consistently go over these essentials. Learn to recognize them in your daily internet activities. You'll eventually settle on the strategy that best suits your needs and aligns with your other career and family obligations. In terms of personal finance, allocating the time to focus on today will improve your quality of life tomorrow. The same appears to be true if you want to earn extra money each month by working online. Your next source of income can be closer than you think if you focus on the strategy that feels right for you and disregard the rest. We hope you understand the expert guide to earn online money. So don't forget to subscribe to NetWealth for learning more, because this channel is all about the financial world. If you have more questions and want to hear something more unique, pop your comment below. Thanks for watching this video. We will catch up in the next video. Bye.